Getting a home inspection before buying a property can save you tens of thousands of dollars in repairs. Here are the common items a home inspector looks for. First up, the roof. From missing shingles to leaks to hail damage, a healthy roof is crucial to ensure your shelter stands strong. Next, the electrical system. Outdated wiring, overloaded circuits, and exposed wires, these are red flags you don't want to overlook. Then the plumbing. Leaks, low water pressure, or a faulty fixture can turn a dream home into a nightmare. And let's not forget the heating and cooling. Properly functioning HVAC systems keep you comfortable year-round. Lastly, a home inspector makes sure the home's structure is in good shape. Radon, sewer scopes, and mold tests are other recommended add-ons to your home inspection. All of this ensures your investment is sound and your future is secure before you sign over the deed.